Hi dear, today we'll see some of the numericals from the power of the lens. Okay, so first, how are power and focal length of the lens related? You are provided with two lenses of focal length 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter respectively. Which lens will you use to obtain more convergent light? So we'll first give the answer for the first question. First part of the question: how are power and focal length of the lens related? You know that power is equals to 1 by f. That means it is inversely proportional. If the f value is you know that if the denominator is big, you will get the small value, right? If the denominator is small, you will get the big value, right? If you simplify that, okay. So it is inversely. If the focal length is large means denominator is bigger, means you will get the power as less power, okay, less converging power or diverging power. If the focal length is small, then you will get more power, more converging power or diverging power. So how these are related means power of the lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. You can write this: power of the lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. Power of the lens is inversely proportional to the focal length, okay. Then second part of the question is, you are provided with two lenses of focal length 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter respectively. Which lens will you use to obtain more convergent part? Okay, you know that it is inversely proportional, okay. More convergent, you need more power means then your focal length will be less, right? So which lens will give the more converging power? So the smaller focal length is 20 centimeter. The smaller focal length, focal length 20 centimeter will give more convergent light, right? It has more, since the focal length is very less, we'll get more power, right? So the focal length 20 centimeter will give more convergent light, okay, clear? Next one: a student uses a lens of focal length 40 centimeter, another of minus 20 centimeter, okay. Write the nature and power of each lens, okay. So first student will take student 1 and this is student 2, okay. Let's see this. The student, write the nature and power of the lens. Yes, the student uses a lens of focal length, so f is equals to 40 centimeter, and another student f is equals to minus 20 centimeter. So if the focal length is positive, means he has used what lens? Convex lens. Here it is negative, that means it shows that he has used concave lens, okay. So convex lens means converging, nature will be converging of light rays, Here concave means diverging of light, okay. So they asked us to find the power of the lens also. Power, you know that power equals to 1 by f, okay. You know that this power of the lens is expressed in diopter. 1 diopter is the power of the length with focal length 1 meter. So f should be always substituted in meter only. So here itself you can convert this, okay. So 40 centimeter means, that means what? 40 by 100 meters, that is equals to 0.4 meters. Okay, here also you convert this minus 20 by 100 meters, that is equals to minus 0.2 meters. Okay, your focal length is 0.4 and f equals to minus 0.2 meters. Okay, so P is equals to 1 by f value is always substitute it in meters. Okay, 0.4, so that is equals to, you cannot divide like this, so we need to remove the decimal point. So here I am multiplying by 10, here also I am multiplying by 10, 10 by 4, right? That is equals to how many times? 2 times point, remainder 2 will come 0, 2.5, 2.5 d. Okay, power is equals to 2.5 d. It shows that plus symbol shows that it is a convex lens with the converging of light rays. Okay, here we will calculate P is equals to 1 by f, that is equals to 1 by minus 0.2, right? So denominator usually will not keep the negative sign, so to remove that, multiply both numerator and denominator by negative minus, so you will get minus 1 by 0.2. Okay, we need to remove the decimal point, so multiplying by 10, it will give minus 10 by 2, right? Minus 10 by 2, that is equals to, if we simplify this, we will get minus 5d. So P is equals to minus 5d. This shows that they are using the concave lens with the diverging of light rays. Okay, clear on that? So we have written the nature and the power of the lens also. Okay, next one. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2d. What type of lens is this? What type of the lens? We can easily say if the power is negative, then it is a concave lens, right? Because you will have, in the concave lens only, you will have the focal length will be negative, right? So we need to find the focal length, right? What is given? Power equals to minus 2d has been given. So we know that P equals to 1 by f. P is minus 2, that is equals to 1 by f. We need to find the value of f only, so we can transpose to this side, it will becomes f, that is equals to 1 by, this will come down, minus 2. So always remove the negative sign from the denominator, it becomes minus 1 by 2, that is equals to minus 1 by 2 means what? 0.5, minus 0.5 meter. Okay, f is equals to minus 0.5 meter. So focal length of the lens is minus 0.5 meter. This minus sign indicates that this is a what type of lens? Concave lens. Okay, next question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5d. Find the focal length of the lens as the prescribed lens is diverging or converging. So they given the power. Power is equals to plus 1.5d. Plus 1.5d means what? The power is positive means then they use the convex lens. Convex lens. Convex lens means what? Converging or diverging? Converging. So is the prescribed lens is converging or diverging? It is a converging one. Okay, because the power is positive. Okay, then we are supposed to find the focal length of the lens. You know that P is equals to 1 by f. We know that P is equals to 1.5, that is equals to 1 by f. We need to find the f value only, so it moves like that and it will come 1.5 will come down. Okay, while transposing, when it is in division, it will go as a multiplication. When it is in multiplication, it comes as a division, right? So I'm multiplying both this by 10. This will give 10 divided by 15. 10 divided by 15, 0 time, 0, 100, 6 times, 90, again you get 10. 10 means again it goes like this, 0.666, 0.66 meter. Okay, so your focal length of the lens will be f is equals to 0.66 meter. Okay, next one. A convex lens of focal length 25 centimeter and a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter are placed in close contact with one another. Okay, what is the power of this combination? So they are combined the convex lens and the concave lens. Okay, they are given the focal length of each lens and they ask the power of this combination. Okay, then what is the focal length of this combination and is this combination converging or diverging? Okay, first we will find out this. What is the power of the combination? You know that power of the combination P is equals to P1. Here only two lenses have been combined. So P1 plus P2 we can take. Okay. For that we need to find the value of P1 and P2, right? Well, first we'll find the value of P1. P1 is equals to 1 by F1, right? This is equals to first lens, we'll take this convex lens. Focal length is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter means here itself you should convert the centimeter into meters. That means 25 by 100 meters, that is equals to 0.25 meters, right? So 1 divided by 0.25 meter, that is equals to, we need to remove this, we need to put the meter here itself. Two decimal places we need to remove. So multiply by 100, here also 100. So 100 divided by 25 will give 4, right? 100 divided by 4, 25 means 4D. Okay, 4D. So P1 we found that. Likewise for P2 we need to find that, right? P2 1 by F2. So that is your concave lens. Focal length is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means concave lens means it is negative, minus 10 centimeter, right? So first convert that into meter. Minus 10 by 100 meters. Minus 10 by 100 meters. Therefore minus 0.1 meters. Okay, minus 0.1 meter. That is equals to 1 by minus 0.1. We need to first remove the negative sign in the denominator. So minus 1 by 0.1. Then we need to remove the decimal point. Here also multiply by 10. Minus 10 by 1. Right? That is equals to minus 10D. So your P2 is equals to minus 10D. P1 is equals to 4D. Okay, we found the value for P1 and P2. Now we will substitute here. Okay, P is equals to P1. P1 is plus 4D plus P2 is minus 10D. Minus 10D. Okay, that is equals to plus 4D plus into minus minus 10D. Okay, if you are having plus minus means you need to only subtract. So 10 minus 4 is 6. You need to put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is minus 10. So minus 60. P is equals to minus 60. Okay. So this negative sign indicates your net effect will be diverging. Only for the concave lens will get the negative power. So the net effect of this, for this C answer, is the combination converging or diverging means for this combination the rays will be diverging. The net effect of the lens, if you combine the convex and concave, the net effect will be diverging only, because you got the power in power in negative terms. Okay. Okay. So we found the A for found the combined power, and C also we found that is a combination converging or diverging means combination is diverging. Okay. We have found this by power. Based on the focal length also we can found it whether it is diverging or converging. Okay. And for the B question, we need to find the focal length, combined focal length. Combined focal length. Okay. We know that combined power equals to 1 by combined focal length. Okay. Okay. So already we know the combined power, right? So what is the combined power? It is minus 6, that is equals to 1 by f. We need to find the value of f. F equals to minus 1 by minus 6. We need to remove the minus sign, so it becomes minus 1 by 6. So what is 1 divided by 6? 1 by 6, 0 0.1 times 6, 4, it becomes 40. 6 times 6 times 6, 6, so that is 6. Again you will get 4 means it will be repeating. So 0. So f is equals to minus 0.166 meters. Okay. So f is equals to minus 0.166 meter. This shows that this focal length is negative, then your net effect will also be diverging. This is only on concave lens you will get the diverging rays, and the combination is diverging. Clear on this? Thank you.